Hola amigos, I'm Alejandro from KeySpanish. I'm in Madrid, actually, in a park called Madrid Rio. It's a beautiful, beautiful park in the center of the capital of Spain. And I wanted to take an opportunity to talk about the verb to waste in Spanish, because one of my students told me, Alejandro, waste has many different translations. I'm very confused. Indeed, it can be confusing. So let's talk about it. You first have to waste time. How do you say to waste time in Spanish? You say perder el tiempo. Por ejemplo, yo pierdo mucho tiempo con los videojuegos. I waste a lot of time with video games. The next one would be to waste money. For example, I waste a lot of money on cigarettes. How do you say that in Spanish? That would not be perder. We would say malgastar. Malgasto mucho dinero en cigarrillos. Son muy caros. They are very expensive. So malgastar is better to say to waste money. And there are other two verbs, a bit more informal. You could say despilfarrar. Despilfarrar dinero. That is also to waste money, to almost to burn money, you would say in English. Okay? And also you can say derrochar el dinero. Derrochar dinero. So, okay, with money you can malgastar, derrochar o despilfarrar dinero. And now, the last one, maybe there are more uses of wasting, but the three ones I want to share with you today. The third one is to waste an opportunity. Waste opportunity. Remember, we have wasting time, wasting opportunities, wasting money. To waste opportunity, you would say desaprovechar. Desaprovechar una oportunidad. For example, yesterday I saw a girl and she was quite cute and I didn't say anything to her. I wasted an opportunity. ¿Sí? He desaprovechado la oportunidad de conocer a una chica. Right? So you have again perder el tiempo, you have malgastar dinero, derrochar o despilfarrar, and lastly you have desaprovechar una oportunidad. Three uses of the verb to waste. Okay? So I hope you found this little video useful about wasting while I go for a walk here in Madrid Rio. You can see beautiful place. Amazing. Right? Beautiful. And, well, what is best than a nice walk in the park and learning some Spanish? Not much, right? And if you are starting out in your journey, remember to download my Spanish Beginner Kit. It's completely free, set of resources to get you started on the right foot. So, again, I hope you found this video useful and I will see you on the next one. Hasta luego!